I forgive you for everything you've done to me.
I only want to be with you. Love me, Clarissa. Love me forever.
Cut. Gary, boom is in the shot. Gary, the boom is in the shot.
I'm sorry?
Gary, get the microphone out of the shot.
Oh, okay, boss. It won't happen again.
Action.
I forgive you for everything you've done to me.
I only want to be with you. Clarissa, love me. Love me forever.
Cut! Gary, what are you doing?
He had something on his face. I wanted to clean it off.
It doesn't matter. The boom cannot be in the shot.
Okay, I'm sorry, boss. We're smooth sailing now. We better be.
Action.
I forgive you for everything you've done to me.
I only want to be with you. Love me, Clarissa.
Gary, what the fuck are you doing? You're in the shot!
But the boom's not, right?
Neither you or the boom can be in the shot!
Well, you're sure you can't just edit this out in post?
You're fired.
Oh, no!
Jay Adams here. Oh, hi, Mr. Weissman. Yes, Gary is here. Let me tell you something about Gary, Mr. Weissman. You're increasing our funding? Yes, Gary is great. Gary is fantastic. I love him. Everything's looking good over here. We'll have this out to you in a month, all right, Mr. Weissman? All right. Thank you. Gary.
Yeah, Mr. Adams?
Grab your boom pole.
Oh, boy!
I forgive you for everything you've done to me.
I only want to be with you. Love me, Clarice. Love me forever.
Oh yes, Milo. I'll love you forever.
I miss your hands.
I miss your touch.
I miss your lips. I miss your skin.
Oh, Milo, why did this ever happen?
I was a fool. I was a damn fool. Could you ever love a fool like me, Clarice? Marry me.
Oh, Milo.
What do you say?
That's a wrap.